One of the best ways to make sure that everybody wants to hire you is you have some kind of social media presence. I've learned this firsthand because I got headhunted by an agency for a full-time position simply because they liked my style. On top of that, because of my online presence and my portfolio of my past work, there are a lot of potential clients from the music industry that want to work with me, although I'm turning them all away because I'm focusing on YouTube. Having an online presence makes getting a creative job much easier because you don't have to spend all your extra time updating resumes, reaching out, sending cold emails, or any of that extra work. I've just been doing my thing, creating content during any free time that I have, and people have been coming to me, which I still can't believe. It's about building a personal brand even while you're an employee at some day job, because it can pay off so much in the long run, and it can help you get in the right rooms with the right people. It's not easy and it takes a long time to do, but I promise if you do it right, it's going to open up so much more opportunities compared to sending resumes or cold emails to every single company or potential client. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you being here. This year, I'm really banking on hitting my subscriber goal of 1K, which I know isn't that crazy of a milestone. But if you enjoy all things creative, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I'm currently batch recording and editing multiple videos at a time to ensure that I publish quality content on a consistent basis. That all said, if you're feeling resistance on the getting started part on building a social media presence because of perfectionism or a similar reason, then I suggest watching this video where I advise you on why you should stop wasting your time. I'll see you there.